Let's see how we can fade an image in free Canva. Let's go to Canva homepage, and here we can click, for example, social media, and we can search for Facebook post. Okay, let it be this one. Now we need to choose photo, go to elements and search for any photo you want. For example, I'm choosing for this one photo. Now we can make it bigger. And now let's go to apps, and here we need to search image blender. This one app, click on it. Now click on the photo and choose fade and liner. And now we can adjust position. Just take and drag. And we can adjust strength. And when it suits us, we can click save. And now we can just enter here our text. You can click letter T from the keyboard and you can enter your text. Or you can go to the left side menu, click T and heading and enter your text. And here you go. Now you can download your photo, go to share button, click download, choose file type PNG and click download. And let's see our result. Here you go. I hope you like this quick tutorial. Click like and subscribe.